Hello everyone, welcome to a very special video, to a very special unboxing, because we have received a package that some guys on my Discord community channel could already see. So if you're wondering what this is all about, check out the video description below. There is a join link for our community Discord where you guys could see a little bit of early accesses and also look into my head what is going on, what is my thoughts. However, we have received some box and we have received some interesting books because the box is coming from Pimax. And as you know, Pimax is one of the new shareholders of MSG. However, Pimax isn't usually into sim racing in the first place. Their main opportunity or their main skill is making VR glasses and many other things. However, we have received one of these packages here, and I think it's time to check out what is inside all together. So I'm quickly opening this one over here, opening that one over there. Be careful with the box not to damage anything inside. It is a pretty heavy box, to be honest, but that makes the things just that little bit more interesting. Right, once opened, I see lots of blisters, and we do love blister paper, don't we? So I just quickly, turn this around because I'm sitting on the couch. The parcel inside is gonna drop nicely anyway. Right, here we are, a pitch black box with some blisters around. So, and as I've already told you, the box is coming from Pimax. And Pimax is able to send me a little bit of a gadget that we're going to use over the next couple of weeks. And I think it's going to be quite special because many of you have asked me over the recent years, how about VR? And all that I was saying to this up until that stage was like, I don't really know how to deal with that. Because I'm not usually the classic VR guy, right? However, it's going to happen. As you can see, we have received a crystal light, which is, I think, the starting module from Pimax. And we're going to use this for about 4 weeks. So what this means is, I'm going to not only use it for sim racing, because, you know, there's the one or other application where I would love to use it too. Maybe you guys know I'm a big fan of ski jumping. I like the winter sports. And I know on Steam there is like a ski jumping VR application. So I want to use it for that as well. I just need to make sure to clean up the office a little bit so that I have space to, you know, jump around and not tumble over. Anyway, this is the Pimax Crystal Light, and I have to admit I need to do a little bit more research on it, but one of the most important gadgets this thing has is like it has some extremely high resolution goggles inside. So I'm quickly going to show this around. Front, that is going to be illuminated while gaming, so that is actually quite a little bit of gadgetry ahead of my eyes. Then on the inside you can already see the two lenses where we're going to be looking through. And then here in the back, I think probably some HDMI wiring. Let me have a quick look. Gotta say that the packaging, highly professional, highly high quality, everything being very carefully packed, and also, you know, it has its own CI. So indeed, one HDMI cable and one USB. We're gonna plug this in. We're gonna try setting it up. If you guys have some experience with this, especially with this kind of gadgetry, let me know down in the comments area below. I'm really happy to know what's the common best practices when it comes to VR. And then we're gonna have some Le Mans Ultimate races, of course, in VR, around our most favorite sim. And actually, guys, I can't wait to get this going. I think when I spoke to a couple of people, some of you already had a Pimax Crystal Light. I would really appreciate if you guys connect in with me, tell me about the good settings, to boost the performance, to boost the usability. I'm happily referring to this after, but not gonna lie, I am pretty much looking forward to give this a try. And hopefully, I see that VR is something that could be something for me in the future, because I have to be honest, usually I quite quickly get motion sickness out of these things. But fingers crossed, let's hope we're looking good. A big, massive thank you for Pimax for sending this over. A big thank you for letting me use this, letting me explore this new experience in virtual reality, which is something really new to me. Looking forward to give you guys some feedback on what I think. And yeah, thumbs up to Pimax. Thank you guys for this support. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm really grateful for this. And yeah, let's hope we can make a good use out of this. Till then, till the first stream with VR, guys, have a good time and goodbye.